Hi everyone! In this video we will subtract fractions with different denominators. Subtract -2/15 minus 5/18. The first thing we need to do is find the lowest common denominator. This is the lowest common multiple found in the denominator numbers. And so we're just going to do the lowest common multiple between 15 and 18. To do that, I'm going to take 15 and 18 and do factor trees. 15 is 3 times 5. Both of these are prime, so both of the branches are complete, and I can circle it and be done. 18 is 3 times 6. 3 is prime, so I can circle it and be done. And 6 is 2 times 3, and those are also both prime, so now all of the branches are complete. Now I need to find the lowest common denominator between those two, or the lowest common multiple. I'm going to start with 18. 18's factors are 2, 3, and 3. 15's factors are 3 and 5, and I list them going from lowest to greatest, and now I look through and find if I have any duplicates, because I am looking for the smallest number. I don't want to use both duplicates. So here, 2, there's only 1, so I keep it. There are 2 3's here, and because I don't want multiples, I want smaller numbers, I only need one of those 3's. And this one does have another 3 here that doesn't have any partners. And then I have a 5. So the lowest common denominator, or the lowest common multiple of the two numbers in the denominator, is 2 times 3 times 3 times 5. And so this is 2 times 3 is 6, 3 times 5 is 15, 6 times 15 is 90. So the common denominator for both of these is 90. Now I just need to rewrite both of these fractions with the equivalent fraction with the denominator of 90. To go from 15 to 90, I can divide 90 by 15, which gives me 6. So that means I need to multiply both numerator and denominator to keep that ratio the same by the same factor, which is 6. So 15 times 6 is 90. That goes here. And 6 times -2 gives us -12. And that goes there. Now for our other one, to find the equivalent fraction from 18 to 90, this is multiplied by 5. So I need to multiply the denominator by 5. 18 times 5 is 90. And I must do the same factor for the numerator to keep the ratio the same to make it equivalent. And 5 times 5 is 25. And there's a subtraction sign between them. Now that I have my two equivalent fractions, I can go ahead and change this to add the opposite so that I can go ahead and add those two negative numerators together. -12 plus -25 gives us -37. And when I'm adding and subtracting, the denominator stays the same, the one that we worked so hard to get, now that they have the common denominator. And so our answer is -37/90, and we're all done.